and welcome to another product info session brought to you by Cernal Chemicals, or as you know it by now, Speaker Wiki Soaps. Speaking of soaps, as always, myself, Stefan here, we have O Groote here to my right. Good morning, O Groote, how are you?
Morning, Stefan. No, good and you?
Ah, can't complain. So Daniel, today I see we have two different products here.
Yes.
Let's begin with the top one. The what is that? The fabric softener.
Is our laundry bleach.
Laundry bleach, yes.
So laundry bleach, well, the name says it all as well. Yes.
I would assume it's bleach for laundry. Yeah.
Yes. So it's a bleaching agent. It eliminates the yellow and grey stains. So yeah, and brings out the whiteness of your fabrics. So yes. Very simple to use. The dilution is 1 by 1. So 1 liter of water, 1 liter of bleach. Simple as that.
Also available 525 all the way up.
25 liter, all the way up, even 200 liter if you want to bleach everything.
As with all the products.
Yes.
And then you said the directions of use is one-on-one.
One-on-one, yes.
Safety precautions. What must you do? What must you not do?
Don't drink it.
Don't drink it. Is it necessary to wear gloves when using it?
No, it's fine. It's not a corrosive product. It's bleach. So yeah.
Okay.
So it's yeah, but the same bleach you get in your store. Ours is a bit more stronger, I would say.
As with all Cernal products.
With all Cernal products, yes. So yeah.
Great.
So it's laundry bleach.
And
then our second product we have here is the fabric softener.
Yes.
So yes,
fabric soft. Yeah.
Fabric softener. Our fabric softener is quite a thick fabric softener. It has a very nice smell to it. We have the normal Econo one, and then we have our one with a blossom fragrance as well. And then so our fabric softener is basically 20 ml for a 5 kg wash.
Okay.
Which I think is a very economical use.
Okay.
Yeah, and also you get it in 25 liter, 5 liter, up to 200 liter.
Or even 1,000 if you really want.
If you really want.
If you really have a lot of washing to get soft. Safety precautions on the fabric softener. I would also assume no gloves, no goggles. It's not a.
No, so it's fabric softener. You can you wash it with your bare hands and all that. It's not a corrosive product. So yes.
Okay, great, Daniel. So that's laundry bleach, fabric softener.
Yes.
As always, watch the demonstration video at the end. It's quite simple products to demonstrate.
Yes.
It doesn't have the
fabric
effects.
softener. Unfortunately, you can't get the smell.
Yeah. Maybe in a couple of years, as I always say, we will be able to smell through our phones. But at the moment, you can't smell. But always watch the video. And as always, if you have any questions, either contact myself, Stefan, or O Groote here to my right. All the contact details will be at the end of the video. For any more information, the data sheets is also loaded with this, so have a look at them. And then have a lovely laundry day.
Cernal Chemicals, get your laundry house. Cernal Chemicals, chemicals you can trust.